Today watch the top 10 famous opera singers in a lot of Got Talents, but this time it is not what you think it is. So you see a lot of boys, but what you say is a girl singing. And this time, shut the fuck up. Just honey. We don't need Paul Potts until you just watch her. Oh yeah, by the way,
Expecting her to have a voice like that.
literally a girl doing the opera singing. Literally just copy Malachi's voice, ha. Ala, soprano na. I was not expecting that I did. Devi Atto Nelson Doma. Is this Italian again? There is Lucy Kay. Matthew Cooper from Canada. Again, I'm going to suffer my life during the video. Okay, like 5-day consecutive winning streak of them. Me just doing the video na naman. Nation I want to suffer songs, but not that. By the way, if they started singing, then I'm going to sing at 12 a.m. Okay, I'll skip because once this ending will make me not move for 10 minutes. Are they still going to sing? Yes. Wow, the prayer by Andrea and Sarah, cover by Jonathan and Charlotte. Ala, Andrea, Sarah, Pomoy, Banana. John and Charlotte are on the next level. But I am the next opera singer that close to your mind. Well, my Asia's Got Talent, huh? Oh, centered. Special guest ako.